What you're seeing right now is various types of plastic waste moving along a conveyor belt, passing under a high-tech digital watermarking scanner. Light films and flexible plastics are swiftly flung into designated bins by bursts of air, while heavier, rigid plastics drop into their assigned categories below. Take this plastic bottle. Hidden within it is a groundbreaking innovation, a digital watermark. Though invisible to the eye, this tiny imprint holds valuable information that is transforming waste sorting and recycling. But what does it do? And how does it take us beyond the bin? As plastic consumption continues to grow, so does the need for smarter solutions to handle waste sustainably. Current sorting methods, while advanced, often fall short of separating the diverse range of materials effectively.
In order to improve the sorting, there was a need indeed to make the sorting better and more intelligent. And that's the reason why we have been coming up with the concept of adding a digital watermark.
This tiny, invisible imprint holds a wealth of information that enhances recycling and sorting.
Digimark digital watermarks are postage stamp sized, machine-readable codes like barcodes, except they are imperceptible, meaning they are hidden within the packaging design. Digital watermarks can cover the entire package, enabling reliable identification by cameras, even in challenging industrial conditions like crumpled or soiled packaging in recycling facilities.
Digital watermark is implemented as an add-on module in front of our NIR spectrometer, and it's made up of a set of high-resolution cameras and a specific lighting. Digital watermarks give us indications about the properties of the object.
Precisely identifying an item using its digital watermark allows a machine to connect to a wealth of information about that item in the cloud. That can include the composition of the item, such as its layers or its colors. It can also connect to its applications, whether it's food contact safe or whether it's for hygiene purposes. By combining this information with how many items were detected, where, and when, provides never-seen-before data that can be used to improve the recycling rates of the products.
At the Hüngen disposal site in Swisttal, Germany, industrial trials of digital watermarking are already delivering impressive results.
When we built the process, we found very high rates in purity and detection rates, over 90%, measured more than 2.4 million packages, so of more than 50 brands. And so every packaging that has the watermark is detected by the system here in Hüngen.
Digital watermarking directly supports our sustainability goals by enhancing recycling rates and reducing incineration. While early in implementation, we've detected thousands of items marked with digital watermarks, significantly improving material recovery accuracy. Ongoing collaborations with brands have expanded the scope of supporting measurable reductions in non-recyclable waste.
Over 130 companies and organizations from across the value chain are coming together under the Holy Grail initiative, driven by AIM, the European Brands Association, and powered by the Alliance to End Plastic Waste. This initiative is driving the adoption of digital watermarks. These watermarks not only make waste management smarter, but also have the potential to benefit brand owners, retailers, consumers, and other players across the packaging value chain.
Netto-Markendiscount has the largest range of Digimark-enhanced articles in the entire German retail. The technology makes the checkout processes much more easy and faster for our store teams and also for our customers. This is why we've been the first retailer in Europe integrating the digital watermarking technology on our own brand packaging.
ST's packaging sustainability goals includes both making all our packaging recyclable, as well as to introduce recycled material into our packaging. Digital watermarks and the industry-wide approach of Holy Grail aims at improving the recycling stream and the quality of the recycling stream. This would enable both an increase of actual recycling, but also an increase of the quality of the recyclates that's produced, allowing us to have a higher uptake of recycled material into our packaging, essentially making packaging circular.
We believe that through digitalization, people can easily scan by means of their mobile phone. They can scan a pack. The app can actually tell you, like, please recycle me in what type of collection bin is applicable in that country. It's all about confidence into the system and helping them making the right choices.
Achieving sustainability requires more than just innovation. It demands alignment with ambitious goals.
Currently, there is a large amount of packaging waste that is not recycled. So the sorted to recycling rate is especially a challenge for food and flexible packagings. So the digital watermark technology would support increasing the sorting rate, the quality of feedstocks, and the recycling yield, helping us to overcome those challenges. Higher availability and quality of recyclates would allow the industries to replace more fossil-based materials, circulating the carbon and reducing the carbon footprint of plastic goods.
The 2030 targets that are set by the European Union are quite ambitious. The digital watermarking technology perfectly embodies how this green and digital transition can happen, because by leveraging digital watermarks, then you can provide sustainability information, hence enabling the achievement of a circular economy.
A Holy Grail initiative will enable recyclers to sort better, and as a result, you will end up with higher quality and more quantity of PCR supply in the market that can help enable those targets to come to fruition.
The Holy Grail initiative is proving that packaging can be designed for a circular future. With more than 5 million packages measured across over 5,900 unique SKUs during the 100-day trial, this collaboration between brands, retailers, recyclers, and policymakers is turning innovation into action, creating intelligent sorting solutions that are smarter, more efficient, and ready to scale. Learn more about Holy Grail at digitalwatermarks.eu.